In this video, you're gonna see what the trip to Apo Island looks like.
But you can go there as low as 3,000. That's so tiny.
From giant sea turtles
The other one was so big.
to beautiful emerald green lagoon from the hills.
It's really Instagram worthy place.
Today, I'll explore the beauty of Apo Island and it all starts from here.
Good morning from Dumaguete. I'm here in Flying Fish Hotel. So from here, we're gonna go to Apo Island. It's gonna be my first time, so really excited. I have no idea how to get there, but now we're gonna figure it out.
After leaving the hotel, we hopped on a tricycle to go to the jeepney terminal. We had breakfast there, then we jumped on the jeepney to go to Malatapay market where we are gonna ride a boat.
So we are going to Malatapay to go to Mount Apo, and then and we're gonna hire
Going to General Luna. And later we're going to Lagoon. 1, 2, 3 is a prank.
So we're gonna hire the boat to get to the Apo Island.
We're not going to hire a boat, we're going to buy one.
So we're gonna take this one, right? But you can go there as low as 3,000. That's so cheap.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Hi vlog.
So we're here at the jump off of Mount Apo Island. Sanay sa bundok eh.
We're gonna take the boat with 3,500 for 6 people. This one is really like a transparent.
After paying the boat fare, we proceeded to our boat.
Good morning.
Morning!
We hopped on the boat, then headed towards Apo Island. Seeing the Mount Tarinis behind, we reached Apo Island in 40 minutes.
So now we are alive, and it's so beautiful. And like this rock formation is like a really beautiful. Yeah, today's a really good day. Almost no wind, and yeah, it's pretty nice.
We signed up our names and went to the place where we are assigned to stay. While strolling around the beach, I stumbled upon a fisherman washing up his fish by the sea.
You just arrived with this pandemic?
No, I've been here for 3.5 years.
Ah, okay.
I chose to stay here.
Because it's many chicks.
No, it's really free to live here. It's more like a freedom here.
Okay.
They are feeding turtle.
No. They put that just to show that nobody is allowed to enter that area.
Ah, okay.
It's just for turtle.
Oh yeah, just for
So that the turtle can free to eat. No disturbing.
So they are protecting the place where turtle come and eat.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's why we have a guider
Okay.
to look at after all of the guests.
After chatting with him, we walked into the sea for snorkeling.
Alright, so right now I'm standing on a sea glass. It's kind of really fluffy, and this is something that turtles come and eat. So we need to protect this sea glass so that turtles keep coming and eating. Alright, so let's go on a sea.
During our snorkeling, I saw 4 turtles in total. When compared with the one that I'll see in more boats, the turtles here are so big. I was actually surprised by how easy to see so many giant turtles nearby the beach. If you haven't been here, I would recommend you to come here to meet the big turtles.
So after the snorkeling, so we are kind of chilling right now, and it's really hot, which is really good. It's better than rainy, and the food is getting ready, so we're gonna have lunch. Maybe we're gonna go up to the lighthouse later or something like that. Because we need to leave at 3, so I think we're gonna have 3 hours to do something. So we're gonna have a lunch first, and then we're gonna figure it out.
So we had lunch and took a rest. While some of them were taking nap, I went to the lighthouse up on the hill.
So we are going to the lighthouse now, and it's gonna be half an hour to go up, I guess. 1,600 meters, 600 steps. So anyway, it's gonna be a lot of steps to go up. Also, you need a guide to go up. So we have one guy to accompany with us.
So we walk in the steep stairs and arrive at the lighthouse in 15 minutes.
Yeah, so right now we arrive at the lighthouse, like it's under 10 minutes or under 50 minutes or something like that. While going up to the lighthouse, I was kind of expecting that I would be able to see the overlooking view, but I wasn't able to see anything. The entire view is kind of blocked by this signal tower. I think you don't need to come here. So we are quite disappointed, and we are going to the other side of Apo Island. According to our guide, the view is much better from there.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys. So nandito kami ngayon sa Apo Island. And going to find some pawikan. So tara! Sabayan nyo ako! Let's do this!
So we are just passing by to get to the other side, but we found this place is really nice. It's a really nice place to overlook the lagoon. It's really Instagram worthy place. Actually, I didn't expect the view, but this view is very stunning. I'm kind of really impressed. I think instead of going up to Lighthouse straight, it's better to go up here and then just go down. I think that's much better, I think. So we came back to the village proper, and we are heading to the view deck on the other side of the island, and we are kind of going around the lagoon to get to the view deck. So it's been like a really lucky hike, but it's not as difficult, it's very easy hike. And the Apo Island is not only just, swimming and see the sea turtle, but also you can hike to see the good view. And then this hiking has been really nice. So now we arrive at the viewing deck, and from here we can see the Mount Tarini so clearly, and we can see Mindanao vaguely. It's vaguely, but we can see the Mindanao, and the water here is like a really blue. It's like a cobalt blue. It's really beautiful. It's really nice place to hike. It's kind of chilling, and on the way we are able to see a really beautiful view. It's very Instagram worthy. I recommend you to come here. It's really nice place.
After enjoying amazing view from the view deck, we went back to the beach to join the rest of my friends.
Yeah, so it's 3 p.m. So we need to go back because the boat comes back. So it's kind of sad, but we need to go back.
So we hopped on the boat and went back to the Malatapay Wharf.
Alright, so now we are going back to the Dumaguete. It was actually really nice. Mount Apo has been on the top of my bucket list, and then I finally made it, and it was fantastic. And the coral reefs were really beautiful, and I was able to see sea turtles, 4 of them. So we are there for just 6 hours, but we actually really enjoy so much. Also, I need to thank to my friend because they invited me to join. So thank you very much for that. So if you like the content like this, please give me a thumbs up and then see you in the next adventure.
This time I fall. This time I fall. This time I fall for you. This time